Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hang out with me and my sleepy sidekicks. Today I have a fun wantable for you. I didn't do a sneak peek yet, so I'm not sure what is in here, but I decided to try the limited time airplane mode active edit. I haven't done an active edit in probably well over a year, so I'm super excited to check this one out. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks. White is a white puppy dog. Xena is the tan puppy dog, and I see she has dropped her treat, which I must rescue for her right now because she is she's very upset about that and ready to make a jump, which she should not do. So she's good now. And we're so happy you're here, as I said, and we hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Wantable is a super fun subscription box, and I love that they have different types of edits that you can get. So they have your everyday wear, your weekend wear, work wear, getaway. That's the style edit. Then they have athleisure and active wear, which is your active edit. So think workout and athleisure. And then they also have sleep and body, which is all things jammies, intimates like bras, undies, all that kind of fun stuff, and sleep leisure. So you have $20 styling fee, you get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. They have a stream, which I love because you can kind of go through all the items that they have. You can see fabrication, you can see sizes that are available, you can give it a request or a decline. If you request it, it goes into your wish list, and once your size becomes available, you have a good chance of getting it in your next box. So this one I thought sounded fun. So it's all about airplane mode. So when you think about that, it means travel, right? And I do have a trip coming up, so I thought, let me try this one out. So here's what I see when I open my box. On the flaps, it does tell you what to do once you get your box. If you have any concerns there, it's super easy. And of course, that personalized sticker, which I love. On top, you'll get a little pamphlet that tells you all about what box that you got. And so this one says that it is the active edit and what limited themed edit I chose. That you can choose to get on a regular cadence, one of those types of edits, or you can stick with themed edits, which is what I do. So it's up to you. This will have your pricing sheet and notes from your stylist in it. You do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And then we got the bundle. And I'm just going to pull them right out of the box as we go. All right, let me see if I have any item that I requested in here. I don't. So these are all going to be ones that my stylist picked. Let's do it. So first up is something from Spiritual Gangster. This is the Row Crop Tank Bra in white. So that's cute. I like that. It's super soft, it's stretchy. That's cute. First item. Next up, and I did give them some, like I didn't want them to give me leggings, so I asked for no leggings and no hoodies. I didn't want any hoodies either, so I did give them some instructions about what I wanted. This one is by Interval. It's the Revive U-Back Rib Bra. There's the back. It does have ribbing through it. That's cute. Oh, then we have something by hYOUman, and this looks super soft. Oh, it says Trust the Journey. That's cute. This is a nice cozy for travel. That's really cute. See this inside, all this nice soft goodness. Can you feel that? Can you feel all that? I can, and it feels amazing. The outside feels super soft as well. So this is cute. It's a little bit longer. All right, then we have something from, this is the Journey Cargo Pant by Spiritual Gangster. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, these are cute. They have that cargo pocket here at the leg, side pockets. Looks like a straighter leg. That's adorable. Has a little bit of the gathering here at the knee. Those are cute. Looks like, do I have pockets in the back? No, no pockets in the back. Yeah, those are cute. I like that. Then next I have something from Interval. Wow, okay. This and this I think was a mistake. This is an extra large. So I think that was not my size, so I don't think they meant to send that one to me, and just the wrong size probably got in. But this is a super soft one in this light green color. It's like a sea foam. Okay, and then what is this? This is by Sol Angeles, and this is the Waves Pullover. That's cute. Has like the wave striping here on the arm. That is cute. That's very soft as well. More comfy goodness on the inside. That's really nice. And then my last item is also by Sol Angeles, and this is the Waves Jogger. So this is a matching set, it looks like. Yes. So this has like the pockets there on the side, like a regular jogger, and then it has on the left leg the matching waves, which that's cute. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so that's all my pieces. I wonder if they caught that. Yeah, so it says the Cashmere-Like one shoulder pullover by Interval. It says extra small, but they sent me an extra large, so I think that was just a sizing mistake. My stylist is Jordan. She always does an amazing job. Can't wait to see what works, so let's get right to this try on. First outfit. All right, so I put on the Interval bralette or cami or tank or whatever we want to call it first, and I think it's a little bit large. So I left my bra on. I have a lot of extra room here around the arm. So I do think I probably would benefit from sizing down, but I think it's super cute. I think it's a nice length. If you have a higher waist pant, you're not really showing that much skin. And I think it's a great layering piece to wear underneath stuff. It is ribbed. So you can see this. It does have ribbing in it. It's a nice stretchy material. Just very comfortable. It does have like a layer underneath that's supposed to give you kind of like a shelf bra type style support. But I left my bra on just for the try on because it did feel like it was a little bit big. And then I paired it with the pants. These are the pair that were from Spiritual Gangster, the Journey Cargo Pant. These are fun. They're very comfortable. They have this big pocket here at the leg. They're a nice length. They go good with tennis shoes. They have the side pockets. So I'm enjoying these. Would be good for traveling. Here's a closer look at them. Elastic waist, but they do have a drawstring inside here that you can just pull to make it tighter or looser, depending on your comfort level. And then I'm going to throw on the extra large off-shoulder Interval shirt just so you can kind of see what that looks like. But obviously this one is not going to be my size, so I'm not going to be able to give you the right actual look to this, but at least you'll get to see the color and kind of get an idea of what the style was supposed to look like. But it does have the banded bottom here, both at the wrist and around the bottom. And then it is supposed to hang off the shoulder. It's very, very soft and cozy. You could easily do like a little front tuck. Here's the fabrication. I think it's cute. All right, so for these pieces, the Cashmere-Like one shoulder pullover in Sage by Interval, $69. The Journey Cargo Pant in black, I'm wearing an extra small by Spiritual Gangster, $128. And the Revive U Back Rib Bra in black, I'm wearing a medium by Interval, $64. So now I've swapped out the top for the hYOUman sweatshirt. hYOUman is a Los Angeles-based brand, and their fabrications are so incredibly soft. Like the saying here on the front, trust the journey. I think the graphic is nice and colorful, very pretty. The fit is very nice. It's just oh so soft. And this would probably go, I mean, this would go with either of the pants. We haven't tried these on yet, but it would go with these as well. You can see that little wave at the bottom, but I think that still goes. So you could turn this into a little capsule if you wanted to, or you could mix and match these pieces into several different outfits. So I still have the black bra on underneath this. So if you got warm, you could take it off. I did a front tuck. Here's what it looks like out. See, it has that banded bottom. It's a little bit long. It is long. So it comes down to here, just so you can see the length of it. I think it's cute. So this is the Vita Pullover and Trust the Journey by hYOUman, and it's $74. I'm wearing an extra small. So next up, I have on the Sol Angeles joggers, and then the white bralette, or bra, we'll call it. I think they called it the Row Crop Tank Bra in white. This is a medium large I'm wearing by Spiritual Gangster. It's $58. And the Waves jogger in black, I'm wearing an extra small by Sol Angeles, $124. So these are super fun. They are incredibly soft on the inside, very, very cozy. This is definitely something you feel like you could get comfortable with on the plane. This bra has adjustable straps in the back. It's also very, very comfortable. I think I'll probably just keep this, the medium, and this one I think fits me just fine. I kind of like it. Very comfortable, cozy. Fit is nice. And then to finish off everything is to add the top that matches by Sol Angeles. And this is what it looks like. So I did just a front tuck. These are incredibly soft. I think the extra small in these pants probably fits, but I think for my own comfort, I would probably size up in these just to give myself a little bit of extra room so they were less legging-like and more jogger-like. Here's the sweatshirt. It's not too high, very soft. Here's the little waves on the side. It's a cute outfit. Here's what it looks like out, which I think also looks fine. And this one is called the Waves Pullover in black by Sol Angeles. I'm wearing an extra small, and it's $120. And that's everything. That's all of my pieces. So for all seven, $637. And if you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. 20% off everything would be $127.40, minus my $20 styling fee as well. For all 7 pieces, if I kept it all, it would be $489.60. So, first of all, obviously I would need to exchange this if I decide to keep it. I think I'm just going to pass and not going to keep it. I would need to size down in this one if I keep it. I was really liking this until I was changing, and then on these pants, if you can see, I tried to get some of it off, but all of the inside stuck to the pants. Do you see that? So I'm like, oh, all the insides are coming off and sticking to the pants. So that was a concern. I did really like these pants. I thought these were fun. I actually really like the white bra that I have on right now. And this set is super soft and cozy. And I'm not sure, for the price tag, it would be a super expensive set. I wanted to see what it would look like with like a cute little jacket. Like you could always pair like a jean jacket. I had this moto on to start out the video. I wanted to see, I would probably switch it for white if that would look cute as an outfit, but I don't know. I don't know if I would necessarily grab for this outfit. I feel like this is more an outfit I would want to sleep in as opposed to like wear on a plane. But I get if I was doing a really long flight, this outfit would probably be a great option. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I, first of all, thought she put together a great collection. I do actually like this set, but I feel like I probably would put a little jean jacket maybe over top of it, just to add for the plain. I do, like I said, I really like these pants. I'm now on the fence about this because of all the insides kind of shedding on my pants. I thought this black was a great one, but this one I think is a no. So I'll list all these items down below in case you would like to check any of them out for yourself. Let me know what you think I should keep and would be perfect for a travel outfit, airplane mode. And I will put my link to Wantable down below in case you'd like to give this service a try and you get money towards your first box. I love Wantable. I do think they do an amazing job, and I like that they have so much variety. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.